Okay. Well, okay, let's talk about, as I told you, they're like symbols. Like, for example, when we wanted let me clarify it with a simple example. For example, about pound, euro, of course, dollars. For example, the symbol for dollar is S, okay? Or for euro and pounds, okay? They're totally different. Now, why? We have in economics, okay? We have some traditional symbols, as I told you, like this. For example, Y is the symbol of income. No, as I told you, not every time you need to use exact. For example, for PED, it's okay. You use the same, but not for each case that, okay, because this is income, the traditional symbol of income is Y. Or for example, for cross, the traditional symbol of cross is X. So we say X. Because of this, they are just about symbols and we don't need to change them. For example, we have, let me see, quantity demanded. Okay. Quantity demanded is QD, like something like, of course, I need to put it here like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Quantity demand. That is actually now we have Y price is P and Y is income. Okay. So that is like standard, I don't know, like equation from economics, something like this. You don't need to change, okay? And for example, we have cross elasticity, demand, okay? And what is this? That is XAD. And this X is the symbol for cross, yeah? So, and the meaning of cross is the relationship between the two products. Yeah. How demand, for example, for one changes when the price of another changes, something like this. Okay. And it's for a long time, it has been used. So, of course, for interaction, for example, relation, something like this, we use it. Okay. Another question?
It's clear.
No question?
No, no, no.
Okay. Well, so where was I? Okay, I was talking about what? I forgot it. Okay, where was I? Okay,
Um,
let me see.
the income,
Income.
income.
Yes,
Yes.
income. Okay, let's talk about the second one, that is income elasticity. What is this? That is YED. Well, how demand changes when income changes. How demands changes when income changes. Do you have any idea about it? Just tell me, give me an example.
I have read like through the lesson. I have I remember that it is to like separate the normal goods and the inferior goods.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't catch what you said. Could you say again?
I'm sorry. It is it is to separate the normal good and the inferior good.
Yeah,
Yeah, like when income increase, the normal goods, the quantity demand for normal goods will increase, will decrease, and vice versa for
okay.
the inferior one.
Well, so, um,
No,
yeah, yes, I say continue.
you don't catch me.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, okay, so it's okay. I got it. Well, so let's talk about it. You are talking about just about income elasticity of demand. as you said, it's used to separate normal goods from inferior goods based on how demand changes when income changes. But how? Normal goods, what is this? When people's income increases, then buy more of these goods, normal goods. Okay. So here, why it is positive? Because both income and demand move in the same direction. For example, laptops, branded clothes, or I don't know, like restaurants, something like this. If income uh, increases or rises by 10% and demand rises by 15%, then YAD equals plus 1.5. So it's positive. What is this? Okay, now this one, okay, is normal, especially just specifically a luxury good. So something like this. Now the second one, as you mentioned, okay, when income increases, okay, people buy less of inferior goods. Less when income increases, people buy less of these goods. Yeah. So YED negative. Okay. So income and demand move in the opposite directions. So for example, um, secondhand clothing. Yeah. People people have money, so but they don't buy when they have money. Why they need to buy secondhand clothing, right? Bus
Yeah.
travel, right? So people have money. Why they need to travel with bus? Instant noodles, even noodles, instant noodles. They have money. Why they need to buy? So we can say that if income rises by 10%, demand drops, okay, by 5%, then YED will be like minus 0.5. Yeah. So
Yeah.
positive for normal goods, negative, such as I told you, secondhand clothing. But laptops, so when you have money, of course, you can buy it. You afford it, so you buy it. Okay, so the higher your income, the less you buy this one. The higher your income, the more you buy. So this is what you exactly said, right? So when income increases, the quantity demanded for normal goods increases, but the inferior goods, it decreases. Get it?
Yeah.
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 Okay. So again, I forgot what I was saying. Okay. Okay, I was talking about so the formula is the same. Just by the way, I want to say that the formula is the same. So we have like exactly to say the change in quantity and change in price. So the same formula, but of course, so we have different things. Okay. Well, let's see. Do you have any other questions?
No, no. I don't know.
Okay, well, let's see. Okay. So as I told you, for example, luxury goods for income elasticity of demand, okay, how demand changes. So luxury goods, uh, just, they have positive YAD. And then we have another one that is cross elasticity of demand. What is this XAD? That is how demand for one product changes when the price of another changes. For example, Pepsi, Coca-Cola. If Pepsi price rises, Coca-Cola's demand may increase. That's it. So easy. Okay, let me write. We have another one. Okay, did you get income elasticity? Did you
Yeah,
get
I get it.
demand?
I get
Okay.
it.
Now we have cross elasticity of demand. That is XAD. Okay, why? Um, how demand of one product, we can say changes when the price of another changes. So as I told you, so for example, to different, we can say brands, names, okay, whatever. So when one, the price of one increases, of course, the demand for another one at the same time increases. So that is like the cross elasticity of demand. Okay. And any questions? Do you have any questions?
No,
Okay. Now
no.
let's talk about your uh, in BTech. We have, marketing application in BTech. Okay, so first you need to have a strategy, like, pricing strategy. And of course, we have a product positioning. And then that is really important to analyze competitor. So how we do this? Now I want to connect them. I just taught you and what we have in BTech. Okay?
Okay.
Well, okay. The first one is pricing strategy. What is this? If a product has like we can say that demand, okay, lowering the price can increase sales revenue. Can you get the meaning of it?
When the price can decrease, what?
Yeah, demand. Lowering the price can increase sales revenue.
Lowering the price can increase total revenue.
Yes, of course. That is really easy and
Mm.
clear, actually. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
the
yeah.
first one about pricing strategy. That is really easy. Okay. And the next one, that is product positioning. And then income elasticity. If you know income elasticity, it helps target the rich, and the right and the rich customer group. That is really important. So if you know it, if you know income elasticity, yeah, you easily
Yeah,
target the right customer. Yeah. So that
yeah.
is product positioning. Yeah. So you know it. Okay, it's really easy. Then now you know this, you know the formula, and of course you can easily target them. Okay.
Mm.
Well, and now, okay, the third one that is, as I told you, you should analyze competitor. So competitor analysis. This one is really important. What is this? So now you need what? Cross elasticity. Cross elasticity helps how competitors uh, or they change and of course their prices um, and every change that happens affect your product. So this is about cross. So we have different the product positioning, income elasticity needed competitor analysis, cross elasticity needed. Okay. And of course, pricing strategy, that is the first one. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, and let's keep going with. What? Oh, sorry. Okay. Well, um, cost of production. What is this? Do you have any idea? Now it's totally
No,
different. Yeah, cost of production. So we talked about elasticity and now cost of production, the total expense, I mean. Yeah, in
yeah,
producing goods, services. Okay, that is cost of production. So you know this. Now, what we need here, again, we have different factors that we need to discuss. First, we have fixed cost. Then I told you variable cost, that is VC, okay, and total cost. So we need to, one by one, we need to discuss them. Okay, but before, if you have any question, you can ask. If no, we can talk about cost of production.
we should leave it to the next lesson
Oh, of course, it's confusing. Okay.
because yeah, because I need preparation. Yeah.
Oh, of
I'm
course.
sorry.
For what? Now?
Yeah.
Oh, of
Mm.
course, of course. So, of course, you want to, of course, you want to skip this?
I, I'm,
No?
I'm yeah. I'm really confusing. Like
Oh,
I need
you get no,
preparation.
really,
So
you get confused? Really? Is it confusing?
no, it's not confused, but it is not sure.
Okay.
Mm.
Uh,
I need to understand it. So
I want you to focus on the first part here. Here. I think this word was clear. About the last part, pricing strategy, product its positioning. So I will discuss them again. I will explain it one more time. Okay, later. Okay, the next time I will explain them one more time. Then you can get them. Okay?
yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
Okay, now if you want, you can go. You get confused. Yeah, okay, that is your major, is not mine. So,
I
yeah.
need to rest.
You know
I'm
what?
sorry.
No, why? Why
I need to
so?
rest.
Of
I need to
course,
rest.
of course, of course, of course. Just take some rest and to, of course, recharge your battery and get ready for a new challenge tomorrow, of course. So, of course, you can go
No.
now. No, why no?
Oh,
Just,
I
yeah.
don't want a new chapter.
Yeah, I think that is a part of our life, so we can't do anything about. Okay, so you can go and take some rest. Okay, yeah, have a great night. And I want to say that sweet dreams, sleep tight, but I think you are a little bit, so you are not a child, so I don't want to say sweet dreams, sleep tight. Okay, so have a great time.
Yeah, have a great day.
Thank
Good night.
you. Thank you.
Oh, no, no,
Goodbye.
no, no, no,
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
Have a good day. Good night. Good night to
Good day,
me.
good day, good night. It's okay. I always get confused. Say good morning, good night. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, okay. Goodbye,
Goodbye.
teacher.
Goodbye.